So this lesson is going to be 8.2, which is multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Okay, so if we remembered from last time, a monomial is just one term, so something like 3x, and a polynomial was multiple terms. So for multiplying, it's going to be something like x plus 1, because this is a polynomial and this is a monomial. Okay, so here's our first one. So we got our monomial here and our polynomial here. We're going to distribute our 3. We're going to get 3x minus 12. Okay, we're going to distribute this 2x. So we're going to get 2x times 3x plus 2x times 1 when we distribute it. Well, when we're multiplying things with the same base, remember we add their exponents. So it's going to be x to the first and x to the first, so 3 times 2 is 6. And this is going to be adding their exponents, x squared. Anything times 1 is itself. Okay, so we got to distribute this. So we're going to add their exponents again for this one. So we got 3 times 2, which is 6. X, add their exponents to the 5th. When we multiply back here, it's going to be negative 6x squared. Okay, got to distribute this. So if I distribute this first one, I should get 15. Remember, this is n to the 1, so we add their exponent, so it's going to be n to the 4th. Okay, and then we got to distribute to this next one. So we're going to get negative 5, add their exponents, so n cubed. And this last one, 5 times 8 is 40. There's no n's to multiply, so that's our answer. Okay, let's distribute this one. So 3x times 6x is 18x. Remember, add their exponents, so we're going to get squared. And 3x times 2 is going to be 6x. We got 2 going this time, so x times 2x is going to be plus 2x squared. And then x times negative 3 is negative 3x. So we're going to combine now. So 18x squared plus 2x squared is 20x squared. And 6x and negative 3x gives us a positive 3x. Okay, so let's distribute this first one. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times 1 is going to be plus 3x. Okay, now we have this negative sign. So we got to distribute it. So I'm going to distribute. We could either distribute it or we can act like this is a negative x multiplied by everything. So if we did that, negative x times negative 5x is going to be a plus 5x squared. And then negative x times a negative 3 is going to be a plus 3x. Okay, you could also distribute this to flip the signs and act like this is a positive then. Okay, so 6x squared plus 5x squared is 11x squared. And 3x plus 3x is 6x. So there's my answer. Okay, so if I'm going to distribute this one, the first one is going to be 3x cubed times 3x squared. We're going to get 9x, and then we add their exponents, so 3 plus 2 is 6. Okay, the next one's going to be minus 3x. Remember, add their exponents, so to the 4th. Can't write that because it comes off my screen. And then the last one is going to be plus 18x cubed. Okay, it doesn't look like there's anything we combine, so there's my answer. So let's try this next one. If I take that first one, it's going to be 30x to the 6 because we got to add their exponents. And the last is going to be negative 36. That's a bad 3. So it's going to be negative 36 x to the 5th, and there's no other y's to combine, so it's just going to be y. So this last one is going to be negative 6 x cubed y plus, because now we got a negative times a negative, 12x, and then we have 2y, so it's going to be y squared.